Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 14/7/2024 and the time is roughly around 1:30. Thanks for all your prayers and wishes for my speedy recovery. More or less 50% I'm through, but still 50% is still there. So let's see. Maybe I can fully recover in the next 2-3 days time. Okay, so now let's talk about the weekly forecast of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and now the world is talking about Nifty IT. And we clearly mentioned on 8th of May, that we are entering Nifty IT based on the combination of Ichimoku, combination of Pitchfork, combination of RSI divergence, and based on the Infi and Wipro long-term number. So this was our idea or our observation first on 5th of or 8th of May to enter into IT, and we clearly said that after 24th of June, which was the mega day, and exactly on that day it moved above Ichimoku cloud, and after that there is no looking back, and yesterday was the super duper thing. And whenever the planets are coming together, actually I was expecting that move will come on 15th of July because of the Uranus impact, but the impact is happened one day before, which is 12th of July. So there is a detailed video which I already covered in my I think in the month of May on Nifty IT. Kindly go and watch that video, why we entered there, and all that was given in that video. So now we go and look at now what happened after we predicted that. Okay, then we will talk about all the numbers of Nifty future and all that. Okay, so now let's go to Nifty IT first. The world is behind that. So now this is on May 8th. We said, what do you see in Nifty IT index? We clearly said planning to enter in mutual fund, Nifty IT mutual fund, because the index is at weekly support in FS, Ichimoku ascending, Infi and Wipro near the short term number, 6th May combo date, and 19th May mega date, RSI divergence in daily. RSI divergence in daily. And now if you go to the chart, so now this is as I told you, pitchfork bottom, because the bottom exactly took here with the combination of Gann angle, and this is Gann angle. This violet color line is Gann angle, and this blue color line is pitchfork. So we clearly said it took the support exactly here and moved very near to the median line, but it has not touched the median line. Again it came back all the way and again took the support at the pitchfork end. That is what we mentioned in that WhatsApp message, and from there it started and the date came and all did the wonder. And if you go to FS, this is what we said, FS in magical candle at the pitchfork, this was the entry which you need to do after 27th May. And if you go to Ichimoku, this is what we said, why we entered here. Instead of entering here, why we entered here? Because this is the W pattern. So the W pattern is broken here. So this was our entry. So here the 5th we entered and 13th was the mega day. It went below, that's not an issue, but this W pattern was valid, so that is why we entered here and we are able to capture all this. And we said very clearly 24th is the major day for Nifty IT, 24th June, and exactly it went above. Then we posted that it is just starting. We said after this candle it is just starting, and it has given a solid move. And now people are talking about rounding pattern, that pattern, this pattern, all pattern. So all pattern is clearly visible in Nifty IT. So now even if you go that, if you put the rounding pattern here and then add this into on the top, all that you can do postmortem analysis. But when to capture at the low, that is what we specialize in. and that is what it's right now. But the resistance based on this, the resistance will be here, and 15th is the mega day for Nifty IT, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, all that are having a major date on 15th of July. So watch out. And I already told that when it comes to S&P, we clearly said watch out, because this is very crucial area. Now it has to break this date, because this is the book date. The 12th was the book date, so now it has to break and close above. 12th high. So watch out. We are in a very interesting stage when it comes to US market also. And if you take here, this was the fake sell here. Exactly, the bottom was done here, and from there it gave a phenomenal rally. And when it talks about the Ichimoku and everything, there is no worry at all when it comes to even S&P. But this is the very crucial area, because 12th is the major date for July. 12th is the major date for S&P, and 15th is the major date for Nasdaq. 15th is the major date for Nasdaq. So watch out for all this. Okay, so now let's go to the Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, so now first Nifty, and it closed above the pitchfork median line as well as the gun angle. So it is not ready to give up that low. Whenever it comes on, it is bouncing back again. So till it is above this line, there is no problem at all when it comes to Nifty. The possible target, as I already told you, that 24,400 level, and it even crossed about 26,000 if it holds this line. If not any close below this line, the next possible target is the green color line, and the next possible target is the blue color line, which is roughly around 23,200. So watch out for this. But when it comes to Ichimoku, absolutely there is no problem. None of the candle closed below the conversion line, and it is moving like one ton. So there is no problem at all, and it is ascending in a big way. So there is no problem when it comes to Nifty, and Nifty IT is also supporting Nifty 50 to move up further. Okay, so now when it comes to Fibonacci, so we have already crossed this 0.786. Now we are entering into one, which is 25,260 level. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, again this is not able to break the pitchfork angle line. It is rejecting, and this is what we are telling for the last 15 days in our weekly forecast webinar, that it has to break this high, otherwise it will face a lot of trouble when it comes to Bank Nifty. Possibility that it may even, if it is not crossing this blue color line, it may even come and take a support here. So the date to watch out for this guy, is on, I think, 16th of July, where PSU Bank is having 8 combination on a single day with the combination of SBI. So watch out for this guy on 16th of July, especially PSU Bank. Okay, and now when it comes to Ichimoku, and this is what it is giving a trouble. So it is clearly in C camp now. So now 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle, and 1 more candle to be here to validate this C camp, Okay, so if any close about this the conversion line, then the C clamp is invalid. So we need to watch whether it is going to go above. And if you see the observation in 1 hour, it is very clear that it is getting exactly rejected at the cloud on the top with the fortune signal. It is exactly rejecting, and whenever the cloud is very small, narrow range, if it is getting rejected, then it will be a big issue for it to move above when the cloud is becoming bigger. So this is the problem with the bank Nifty. But if you go to Nifty in 1 hour, absolutely there is no problem. And last time also it came and took the support here on 10th July. And again, this was the number which we predicted, that 24,145 will be the miracle number for Nifty. 24,145, which was the June month target, and that is where it took the exact support at the fortune signals 1 hour blue, 1 hour red, and that was the number, and from there it has already moved up. So when it comes to Nifty, there is no problem as of now, but when it comes to bank Nifty, you need to be little cautious even on the 1 hour time frame. So once it breaks above this, and sustain above this, you can take a entry. And yeah, Fibonacci, it is getting rejected at 0.786. So now let's go and talk about the numbers, the real numbers. Okay, so now tomorrow the major thing is happening, which is Mars and Uranus conjunction. So now I will give the weekly number tomorrow if I am able to sit in front of the system. And this is the monthly number which you can use it. Until now, Bank Nifty is not able to cross this number, and Nifty is solidly above this number, so there is no problem when it comes to Nifty. And again, the Nifty numbers and Bank Nifty numbers converge to the core, and it is still valid. Let's see whether it is going to give the move tomorrow. And this I've already talked about the important dates for cryptos, as well as Nifty IT and all that, and as well as the major date for metals, IT, Nasdaq, and cryptos. Okay, so now let's go to the number. So when it comes to numbers, there is no problem when it comes to Nifty futures. Now this is the convergence area. So now it is well above this number. So when it comes and takes the support here, you don't need to worry about it. You can simply buy. So now even if you take, you can take this number also, 24,394. So 5 numbers are converging within the 33 points. So mega move is on the cards when it comes to Nifty. Minimum 350 points move will be there in Nifty. So till it is going to hold this number, which is the trailing stop loss for Nifty future for the month of June. For the month of July, there is no need to worry about Nifty future at all. It has to close below this level to worry about. Till that time, you don't need to worry about Nifty futures. Please stay in long. Okay, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, this is where it is clearly doing a lot of dilly-dally. It closed exactly at this number, weekly below, daily below, and few numbers are in blue and few numbers are in red with the conversion. So a lot of dilly-dally is happening in Bank Nifty based on the number. So now how you can trade. For example, if it is crossing this number and the first target is this. So now first of all, it has to hold these 3 numbers, and it has to go and hit first this number, then second this number, then it will move towards this number. Any close above this number, again Bank Nifty will become bullish. Bank Nifty future will become bullish. So watch out for this number. Again 144 convergence, and last week we gave this number. It is not able to cross this number. It went below this number and it gave this target last week. And when it comes to Nifty last week, it done this target 24,438. So now above this, till it holds this number 24,404, and these are all the targets. But I am seeing the dead end is here. 25,094. So watch out for that particular number when it comes to Nifty spot. And the stock to watch out for is something big is cooking when it comes to Adani Enterprises, based on the book dates, based on the TP square. So watch out for this. And the stocks which you need to watch out for based on the combinations are GNFC, and I don't know, I gave 3 more stocks to my members. I don't know, 1 second. So this is TP square happening in Adani Enterprises. So watch out for something big is cooking in this counter. And when it comes to stock to watch out for, yeah. So these are all the stock which you need to watch out for in the coming week, which is GNFC, Adani Port, and India Cements. Adani Port is having a combination of 5 combination, and as I already told you, highest combination in PSU Bank is PSU Bank, and SBI having component. So watch out for this. And I by mistake I mentioned Mercury. It is Mars. Okay. So that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Sitting with no AC, no fan, because my body is not able to tolerate all that. So let's see. Hope for the best. Maybe in next couple of days, I'll be fully recovered. So thanks a lot. And if there is anything interesting, and I will post it tomorrow morning. So until then, goodbye. But I'm humbly requesting, please don't message me asking about my health and all that. I know your prayers are there, your wishes are there, and I'll be recovered quickly. Thanks a lot. Bye.